Hey, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this S-Series Swingback Premium Bennington Pontoon. This boat has the black paneling. It's got the nav lights and the forward docking lights. Walking forwards, you'll see this boat is equipped with the sandstone interior. Plenty of cup holders for all your beverages. This boat has fully enclosed storage. Looking back, you'll see a kidney-shaped table. Of course, the swing-back seating that flips to allow for entertaining on the backside. More cup holders. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha 150 horsepower engine, has a ski tow bar, bifolding ladder. Looking forwards at the dash, you'll notice the Garmin Striker 4, kicker stereo, chrome gauges. All Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. For more information, please give us a call at 864-236-9005 or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location and check out all the boats we have in our showroom. Thank you.